Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. We actually have three in one news in no particular order. The first one is the fact that the Nigerian Governors Forum had gone into a closed door meeting some hours ago. The result is out. And of course, Nnamdi Kanu's ESN commander in Imo State that had gone, that's Ikonta. There's been another replacement, and this charge has been given. And just some hours ago, though the result was a bit sketchy, the info was sketchy, but the full news is out of what went down between the borders of Imo State and Rivers State, that's southeast and south, and where the number of military security operatives that went down, and the investigations, the results are already out. All this and much we're going to discuss in this news. But before we do so, like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let's start with the replacement of the ESN commander. Well, following the death of the leader of the Eastern Security Network, ESN Commander Ikonta, yesterday, the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB Sunday said that the military wing of the group has gotten a new commander. A tactical team of the Nigerian police, Nigerian Army and Department of State Services (DSS) in a joint operation early Saturday stormed the operational headquarters of the ESN in Awomama, Oru East local government area of Imo State, killing Ikonta and 6 members of the group. Barely 24 hours after Ikonta's death, IPOB announced new commander but declined to make his name public, disclosing this when he appeared on Channels TV. Sunday Politics. IPOB Secretary Ima Powerful also denied ESN's involvement of yesterday's attack on Hope Uzodima's house. ESN are not the ones that attacked Uzodima's house. They cannot come for an operation and tell you they are ESN. When asked to explain the group's operational activities, he opined, "We pursue Fulani herdsmen from the region." Again, when asked to comment on the new instituted security outfit by the Southeast governors, Ipob, Ima Powerful said, "They are ghost security outfit. There is no group like Ipob." Well, we actually saw some of the pictures of Ipob, the Ebonyi State wing. But let's quickly go down to what went down. Let's quickly go down to NGF result on their meeting. Well, government had attacked, according to Nigerian Governors Forum. So government had attacked Uzodima's country home on Saturday, burning the part of the house and killing 2 security guards on duty. In a statement signed by Kayode Fayemi, the chairman of the forum, the NGF condemned the attack and said it deeply sympathizes with Uzodima and all those affected by the attack. The Nigerian Government Forum deeply sympathizes with Governor Hope Uzodima and commiserates with all those that have been injured, maimed, or brought down, the statement reads. The forum calls on all good citizens to cooperate with the nation's security forces and the government in trying to build a civil, safe, and secure environment for our citizens. Fayemi described the attack by the assailant as taking criminality to reckless and irresponsible heights. For those behind these crimes, they must understand that they do not have the monopoly of violence. This is taking criminality to reckless and irresponsible heights, he said. All hands must be on deck to fish out the perpetrators of this dastardly act, as in our view, they constitute a small league of persons trying to harm the corporate existence of our beloved country, Nigeria. The mantra for every Nigerian at such a challenging time in our history must be how to forge peace and unity across the nation's divides and to shun violence and wanton destruction. Only then can we have a country to call our own. All right, but very quickly, some hours ago, we had sketchy information of what happened in Rivers State. That's borders between Rivers and Imo State. The results are fully out, and this is what the police has to say. Well, gory details have emerged of how over 70 UGM, or rather gunmen, raided checkpoint along the busy Port Harcourt to Owerri Road, killing about 8 security operatives. It was gathered that the gunmen who started their operations around 8 p.m. on Saturday, went for 4 checkpoints from Elele to Omagwo in Ikwere local government area of Rivers State. Out of the 8 operatives killed, 3 were said to be military personnel, 3 customs officials, and 2 policemen. Some were reportedly beheaded, while others were burned beyond recognition. Sources said that the UGM, or GM now, because they said this one is GM, not UGM, the GM gained entrance into Omagwo and Elele through the border towns in Imo State. They were said to have marched through the bush path and swapped on innocent security men on duty. A police situation report dated to April 25th identified the GM as members of the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB). One of the attack checkpoints located along Airport Road, Omagwo, belonged to the Joint Task Force (JTF) and was manned by 9 policemen and 2 soldiers. It was gathered 2 burnt corpses of security operatives were later recovered at the JTF checkpoint, which was scattered and burnt by the gunmen. The GM, according to the report, later invaded the checkpoint of the Nigerian Customs Service at Isiokpo, bringing down 3 custom officials. It was gathered that the hoodlums scattered away the rifles of the security operatives and their patrol vans with sirens. They were said to have advanced to attack the police area command at Isiokpo, but were repelled by gallant policemen on duty. A combined team of security operatives were said to have launched a manhunt for the fleeing GMs. The Rivers State Police Public Relations Officer (PPRO) Nnamdi Kanu confirmed this on police checkpoint but failed to mention casualty figures. He said, "I can confirm that the attack on security personnel along the Omagwo, Isiokpo, Elele, Owerri Road details are quite sketchy. The Commissioner of Police has launched a full-scale investigation into the dastardly attack with a view to arresting the perpetrators and bringing them to justice. Meanwhile, the area is calm with reinforced and increased joint patrols of that scourge and other areas in the state by the security agencies. So far, the state is calm and secure and no cause for alarm." Well, that's about where we're going to wrap it up because time is actually fast spent. But a quick one. Nnamdi Kanu had raised up an ESN commander. Yes, they actually respected their commander that had gone down. A lot of things have been said. And Imam Powerful in his statement is saying that while people are actually pointing that what happened in Hope Uzodinma's place is actually ESN or UGM, Imam Powerful is saying now that it is not IPOB and it is not ESN. That their men, that's ESN, are mostly in the bushes doing trying to drive up Fulani bandits. Now, what happened in Elele in Rivers State? That's the borders between Imo State and Rivers. The policemen there insisted that it's actually the handiwork of IPOB. Now the question is, what is going on? Let's put in the comment section. Who do we believe now? But I know that eventually investigation will be brought that will give you the full details when